From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Tiffany Savona.
Good morning and welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. A lot of you waking up on this Tuesday, heading back to work. The kids are heading back to school and the weather is looking pretty nice. It's a pretty start early this morning in the Tri-Cities. Here's our Dust Devil Sky Cam in Pasco. Just enough clouds to make the sky look that pretty color. And the Dust Devils are going to be away all week at the Vancouver Canadians, so it's going to be quiet at Kisa Stadium. Temperatures are on the mild side. We're in the 50s. Not bad. 54 in Tri-Cities, 58 in Walla Walla, 55 in Dayton, 56 in Hermiston, and 57 degrees in Yakima. The winds are light right now, anywhere between 1 and about 7 miles per hour, but these wind speeds are going to pick up once we approach the lunchtime hour. And you can see that on our Futurecast winds. This is tracking the sustained winds, so they will be increasing this afternoon. 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts could get as high as 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour. And notice these wind speeds stay up overnight between 10 and 20 miles per hour. So typically the wind dies down overnight. That's not going to be the case tonight. And then tomorrow, the winds will crank back up once again out of the west, anywhere between 15 and 25 miles per hour. So we're looking at some breezy conditions ahead as our next storm system rolls in. Satellite and radar showing that we do have a lot of clouds out there. A couple of spotty showers out toward Walla Walla, Dayton, and also in between Hermiston and Pendleton. That's where we will have a slight chance for a shower or two today as this dip in the jet stream, this upper level disturbance moves in. It's going to bring rain to the western half of the state. It'll bring us some breezy conditions and us more cloud cover, especially after what we saw yesterday, all that sunshine. Tomorrow, that upper level system right on top of us, so we're still going to be cooler behind that front, still breezy, and then we'll finally see a pattern change. That disturbance pushes east and high pressure will be moving in, so our warm up will begin. Let's take it hour by hour, showing you what to expect. Can't rule out a spotty shower this morning, not enough to really take that umbrella with you. I don't think you're going to need it, and maybe a spotty shower or two later on this afternoon as temperatures climb into the 70s and 80s. Not quite as warm as yesterday, 81 in the Tri-Cities, 78 in Hermiston, 76 in Walla Walla, 72 in Yakima. That's a bit cooler compared to those 80s that we saw on Memorial Day. Tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, still breezy, but it will be a little bit cooler. Behind that cold front. 48 in Tri-Cities, 46 in Walla Walla, 46 in Hermiston, and 40 degrees in Yakima. Tomorrow is going to be the coolest day out of the next 7. We're partly cloudy. We'll see more sun. It'll still be on the breezy side, but we're only looking at highs in the upper 60s rather, and lower 70s. 7-day forecast showing that our warm-up begins Thursday again. We're up to 76, 80 by Friday, and then middle 80s as we head into the weekend. And Saturday is June 1st. Can you believe it? Yakima, 72 today, breezy, down into the 60s. Tomorrow, 70s return, and our warm-up begins Thursday, Friday, and we're getting back into the lower 80s on Saturday. Walla Walla, slight chance for a shower or two. A lot of clouds today. Breezy tomorrow, even cooler, 67. And then another warm-up on the way. Hermiston, 78, breezy, mostly cloudy. Partly cloudy tomorrow, 69. And then it'll feel more like it should by the end of the week. And we have 80s back on tap this weekend. Jill?